So I just made a short about having pre-gym anxiety. And then I thought, I bet you loads of people have pre-gym anxiety. That helped a bit. So I thought I'd make a vlog. I don't know, maybe it'll be somewhat helpful. So basically, I've been waiting for my boyfriend to get back from the gym. To get back from uni for like 3 hours, and he hasn't come. So I've kind of been expecting to go to the shop, and I had like a really good time earlier. I don't know, like, because I slept last night, unlike most nights where I'm woken up because I'm on call, these horrible 24, 48 hour shifts. So I thought, do you know what? I'll have a coffee. Come stand by the wardrobe with me because I need to get changed. Sometimes I stand at that window and I'm just like, I must look so creepy. Okay, so I went to Costa and I had cappuccino, a large, thinking that'll keep me awake. But now I've kind of tipped over into this like coffee anxiety. But look, I still need to go to the gym. What am I doing in here? You know when you have anxiety and you literally just like, how many times have I said anxiety? Probably too many. And you literally just stare at things for ages. What should I wear? I mean, it doesn't really matter. I'm just going to the gym, not a fashion show. So I'm wearing one of my favourite tops, which, oh my god, you might have just seen my really hairy armpits. Please ignore them. This one, I like it because it just doesn't, I don't know. Yeah. Doesn't show off like any shape, but maybe that's what I like. So yeah, you know when you have anxiety and you literally just stare at things, you're like, what shall I do next? I'm at that stage. Is it really pretentious to go to the gym with a medic top on? It wasn't intentional. I want a nice comfy top. Let's not wear that. I've concluded it's pretentious. I'm sorry that the lighting is really bad in here. Probably if I went over here it would be better. This smells really bad. Like a bit like sick, but without the sick. Okay, I'm gonna show up sweat marks really badly. I might turn up to that second class and just not go. I've done that stupid thing where in like a fit of coffee excitement, I've over anticipated what 5 o'clock or 6 o'clock me could really do. BRB. You don't need to watch this. Oh guys, finished. What does it look like? Not bad. Recently I've been really trying to figure out what kind of YouTuber I want to be. Do I want to be a YouTuber? Do I want to be a doctor? I don't know, many questions in life. It's been occupying a lot of my mind. Where am I going with this? I suppose what I'm trying to say is I've been making lots of like idea-based creation, and Tom was saying the other day, well Dawn, you're not yourself in those videos, like you kind of put on this presenter voice, and I was like, yeah, well nobody wants to listen to me talking, but there are lots of YouTubers who do have more of a relationship-based channel. I kind of want to be a bit of both. Obviously, not obviously, I don't know why that's obvious. I guess I also think like, why would anybody want to watch me? God, you're getting a real deep dive into my mental health this episode. So do you know what? I didn't think about it. I just turned the camera on and you're getting the raw shit. I don't think I've truly like talked about my anxiety or like what that really feels like for me in a day-to-day situation. Like I think I've mentioned it in passing, but I mean, you keep hearing me like sighing probably, and that's like whenever I get anxious I get really like tight-chested, and then I do those like deep inhales. The thing is, I never look anxious. Do I look anxious right now? Probably not. Look. It's amazing what a mask you can put on. I guess I can't tell if, and I think this is like really frustrating for most people, is why do I have anxiety? That's creepy. I had an argument with one of my colleagues today. Okay, can we also just comment on the fact that I stupidly, don't tell Tom, released ladybirds in my plant room, which looks like this. And now I don't know where any of them are. That is definitely adding to the anxiety. It was a bad idea. I've learnt my lesson. What was I in here for? I came in for my tripod. Oh, I don't know where that's gone. Come on, where are you? Fuck, give me a minute. I'll be back when I found it. You just got... Oh, that was a live reaction of finding my tripod. Doesn't get much better than that. So I've been on call for like the past week. I haven't exercised. Been feeling really shit about my body, to be honest. Oh my god, the fridge smells really bad. Shh, don't tell Tommy that. I might just have a banana. Banana. And an apple. So I think my lack of exercise has sort of contributed to the anxiety. Also just not being at home, like ever. Oh, and I was telling you, you're wonky, but I don't think it matters. I was telling you about my argument with my colleague. I really stink. So that's causing a bit of an issue. In my opinion, once you finish your shift, you hand over and you leave. You don't then ask people who have done on-call shift, do your morning jobs. I think that's contributing to the stress, anxiety, work issues. Anyway, now we've talked about all of my anxiety, I guess we better talk about how to go to the gym when you're anxious. I'm so bad for dropping food on the floor. Or dropping it on myself. That's like a daily occurrence for me. BRB, I'm gonna go to the toilet. In a weird way, what's good about this anxiety is it's coffee fueled, so I kind of want to go and blow off some energy and go to the gym. Today's shoes. Oh, also, did you notice that when I sat on the toilet, I can't reach the floor? Short people probs. Today's shoes are Nike Trail Pegasus. They're pretty fucking snazzy. I've actually, because I've got really fat feet, I've had to take the inner soles out because they were squeezing my toes and making my toes go numb. Short people probs, fat people foot probs. I think going to the gym with somebody or like as a group class definitely makes you more accountable. I have to go. Like I said, if I cancel these classes now, I'm not going to get to book on classes for another month. Really hard to vlog when you're just talking to yourself. Like, righty-ho. Off I go. Got my laptop, half an apple, and lots of anxiety. So I haven't really given you many tips yet. Oh, I have actually. I live on quite a busy street and pavement, so I'm always worried that when I walk out into the... Do I have my phone? Oh yeah, this pavement, I'm gonna get hit over. I'm feeling in a really good vlogging mood today. Quite often it's like really hard to do it because you get kind of embarrassed taking your camera outside. Like everyone's looking at you. Oh! Okay. Oh fuck. I'm honestly such a mess of a person. I have no more knowledge to impart right now. Let me get there, think of some more stuff, and I'll let you know. Yeah, bye. From Mambo number 5 to come on girl, I'm trying to get your pussy wet. Toot toot, toot toot. Oh fuck, there's people walking past. Okay, I'm going to tell you a secret and I'm going to tell you a surprising fact. The surprising fact is not very interesting. The surprising fact is that I am 15 minutes early. Anybody who knows me will know that I'm just always late. So that's a surprising fact. The secret is... Actually, I'll tell you that in a minute, or maybe I'll tell you after. I wrote down some things. I had a realization and I didn't want to lose it because I'm quite forgetful sometimes. So when you're anxious and you are going to go to the gym, like it feels like you're leaving safety. You're leaving the warmth of your house, you know, you can like snuggle up on the sofa, watch Netflix, which is just easy and gives you loads of dopamine. But actually like one of the hardest things is leaving your house. And as soon as you've done that, it all kind of seems a lot easier. And the exercise is actually the easy bit. Did I just say that? You know, because you just get told what to do, whereas this is really heavy. It's a really bad angle, but whatever. As long as you're not going to the gym and just doing your own thing. But like, if you do a class, then you just get told what to do. What I always do is get dressed as soon as I get home, because if I have to get dressed out of pajamas or whatever, or get dressed again, like, it's not gonna happen. I won't do it. You know that penalty that I was talking about where you get like, you can't book classes for a month? I'd risk it because I won't get changed. So for me, like, the biggest thing to get myself out of the house was literally just, this is so heavy, was just to not think about it. And actually I think doing this vlog kind of helped, because I just thought about the vlog and I didn't think about going to do the exercise, because actually sometimes like thinking about all of it is more overwhelming than just going and doing it. Here's a true fact. I actually cried on the way to the gym once in the heat of my depression. I cried because I didn't want to go to the gym so badly. I just had a routine and a momentum, so I was just going, like, don't know how. I didn't want to go so badly, but I also didn't want to quit and not go. So I cried on the way there, and then I just worked out, and then I went home and probably cried a bit more. The secret, I'll tell you the secret after. Now is not the time. I think I'm going to go in. The thing is, I've got quite a monstrosity of a lens on and the microphone, so I think I'm going to leave this in the car because I can't face taking this in, and I'll vlog on my phone. So bye. Bye. Actually, the most embarrassing thing about vlogging is not doing it in front of people. It's when people go, oh, you have a YouTube channel, how many subscribers do you have? And you go, 1,000, and they're like, oh cool, like, because you're vlogging in public, they kind of expect you to have, I don't know, like 1 million, and you've got 1,000. That's the embarrassing part. I made it to the gym and I finished. I didn't do the second class, so lol. Do people say lol anymore? Apparently I just did. I'm not gonna lie, my anxiety doesn't feel any better. I feel like externally I show this kind of I'm alright persona, whereas today, and my anxiety, I don't usually have anxiety but today I've just got this impending sense of doom, and inside I kind of feel like I really hope nobody heard that. And I was thinking about it. The feeling is that I just don't want to go back to work tomorrow. I've got another, I wonder if this would look better. I've got to go back to work tomorrow. I'm doing another 24-hour on call, and I've got a handover/receive handover from the same person. Oh fuck. I've got my massive camera out and people are walking past. They didn't even look, so clearly not that important. That's weird. People would usually be like, okay, there's another one coming. Is he gonna look? Maybe it's because I'm staring right at them. I don't know. He didn't do it either. Maybe vlogging is just not that big a shock anymore. I really just hate confrontation. It's like doctors just don't really like confrontation that much. I thought the gym would make me feel better. I don't feel worse. In fact, I feel better from a physical and mental health point of view, but not from an anxiety point of view. And the coffee definitely should have worn off by now, so it can't be that. I think it is, well, it is an unavoidable issue. There's another lady walking past, but she is so engrossed in her phone that I don't think she even knows where she is. Oh my god, I wish I could show you. She's walking like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Oh, she looked up. 7, 8, 9, 10. She's doing a funeral march. Gal clearly has nowhere to be. Let me give you the down low, the lowdown. That came out really weirdly because I was gonna say the DL and then I said down low. download the DL on the situation. I wasn't going to tell you, but I'm gonna now. I don't want to be a bitch on camera, but you won't know who I'm talking about unless you know the situation, so it's probably okay. The issue is I take on a lot of other people's emotions. I guess in that sense I'm fairly empathetic. People can put their emotions onto me quite easily, sadly, for me. I kind of wish I cared less. I actually feel like that was like a counselling session. That's so weird. Is YouTube a counsellor? I feel like I just got that out off my chest, and I don't know, like I didn't receive an argument back. It's okay, I won't show you your bottom half. Turn on the light. It's too dark.
Are you recording?
Mm-hmm. This spooky music. I'm doing an anxiety vlog. How to go to the gym when you're anxious.
What for?